Hello, we are looking at the Project for Awesome resources. So, as promised, the Project for Awesome is an actual project that you're going to be working on, and so I wanted to go over what the Project for Awesome introduction is going to look like. The expectation here is that you're going to be creating one of two options. You're being asked to create either a Project for Awesome video where you'd be advocating for a charity organization using one of the tips or using some of the tips that have been presented by Hank Green in the How to Make a Project for Awesome video. And don't worry, we'll be going over that in class. Or making a PowerPoint using the tips that are presented in the Hank Green video. So the idea here is we're building off of the empathy activities that we've been working on, the ideas of developing these caring and connectivity concepts where we are building these relationships of connection and interconnectivity with other people, and we're extending it to larger groups and extending that ability to establish connections and make connective networks with other people and use it for positive means, positive goals. So what I have for you in terms of resources here is I have the link to the Project for Awesome website, which presents to you their current website telling you when the Project for Awesome live stream is going to go into effect, the amounts that they have already raised for the Project for Awesome already this year, and gives you some background information about what the organization is, what they do, what they're all about, how basic video submission works, how donations work, how the live stream goes into effect. And it also gives you some information about how you can download graphics, some facts about the organization. I have included a video connection about the origins of, I've included the link of Hank Green's explanation of how a person can be involved in the Project for Awesome. And about 45 seconds to a minute in, he explains the 4 ways that someone can be involved. The first way is through donations. And most of us don't have the financial resources to be involved financially making donations. But the second way is where we step in. You can make a video explaining how a local charity or an organization would be impacted and benefit from financial donations. Then he talks about how you can get the message out via the sharing of information. And again, that's a way that an individual can get involved. So essentially, the information about making a video, sharing a video, participating in the live stream, voting on the videos, all of those things are the not financial ways that the average person can be involved in this process. And you're making a difference without having to be a financial contributor. Now, I've also included examples of people that have contributed. So there's an example from an individual who made a very simple video that is literally her standing in front of a galaxy background that clearly is just a background from a computer screen backdrop. And then there's a slightly more uh, involved video. Oop, helps if I have it clicked to the right section.
Bring young people to become civic.
That is a video advocating for the HPA, the Harry Potter Alliance, that goes into a little more depth about this organization, what her connection is to the organization, and this one has obviously a little bit more time and energy put into it. So it gives you these examples. There's definitely a lot more going on in this one because she's an active member of the organization as opposed to the other one where she had just started her connection with the organization. But that doesn't matter. The amount of involvement you have, you could just be interested in an organization and make a video. We're just trying to get you involved. So I would like you to check them out, see what you're interested in, see what you might want to become involved in, and get you to check it out. The other thing I have included is the Project for Awesome Twitter links so that you can see what other things have been included in the past, so that you can check out some of the things that are discussed, some of the connections that people have had in the past, to get some ideas about what's coming in relation to this event for the future. So this is hopefully going to give you some ideas, and I will add more resources to this as we go.